Welcome to my channel today as we discuss very important topic to Forex traders, especially beginners. That is how to practice Forex trading demo account. For being in this page or on this channel and on this topic, it is obvious you want to come into the world of Forex and you want to test the waters before staking your hard-earned money. You are warmly welcome. Please subscribe, share, ensure you always come to this channel because, in fact, go back to my previous videos because you will learn obviously what no other trader will tell you out there. I built my channel out of many years of bitter experience, falling, losing money, and finally making a living as a forex trader. So ensure you come back always. Subscribe, share, and click the notification button so that you always be notified when quality videos come your way. So how do you practice Forex trading demo account? Before then, let us holistically look into what is a demo account. A demo account is a training ground, is a practice ground, or it is a platform or sector or section of forex trading where you trade without risk, where you familiarize yourself with what the forex chart looks like. It is a risk-free trading account because you have nothing to lose. The money in that account is called virtual money, paper money, or fake money because you cannot withdraw it. It is meant for you to practice. So it is a training ground. It's like a football. You have to train before you go for matches, right? Yes. So you have to train yourself very well before you stake your hard-earned money. If no one has ever told you, Forex is like every other business. It needs a high level of understanding to make money. And one of the ways to make money or to get familiarized with the whole thing is through the demo account. What are the benefits of demo account? As I've initially said, it is a risk-free learning process. You have to experiment everything experimentable, strategies. Yes, you have to make mistakes, emotion control. All these things are meant for you to master the platform before coming to the trading. So the benefits are enormous and cannot be overemphasized. Platform mastery. Yes, familiarize yourself with the indicators, with the chart tools, with the language the Forex speaks. You will master all these things. That is called platform mastering. And along the way, I said it's like every other business. That means you must have a plan. You must have entry point. You must have exit point. All these things form your trading strategy. And you can't develop these things on air unless you are on the platform. So you must develop a trading strategy. And the fastest way to do that is practicing using a risk-free account, which is a demo account. And interestingly, you can start with any amount of money you want. But I want to tell you professionally, if you know your ability, in fact, the demo account, start little. Start little on the demo account. You have the tune of $100,000 free virtual or fake money to trade with. Don't start with that amount unless if you want to go live with such amount of money. So any amount you want to invest as a trader, use it, practice with that amount in your demo account. This is a pro tip I'm giving you. As a result of the demo account, you can easily control your emotion. You can easily know that even when your money is in the negative, that it will definitely come to your way, because you must have a strategy that you will believe that will work out at the end of the day. So the demo account gives you a total control as a beginner in the market. Subscribe, share, be part of this community. Let me tell you, your subscription, your share, your community, your interaction with this video will enable the algorithm push it out there to people who want to learn exactly how to trade using the demo account. Finding the perfect demo account. Now, finding the perfect demo account is centered on finding the perfect Forex broker, because it is the broker that gives you the trading platform. So, who is that best broker that I would tell you to go and practice your demo account? It is called Forex. Forex. At the end of this video, you will have the link to the website. In fact, at the description of this video, the link to Forex is there. Why do I recognize, or why do I recommend Forex? Yes, this is one of the best brokers I have used in life, where no manipulations is done to make money off you. No, you have the real market analysis, real market situation from that platform. Every tool you will use is free as a demo trader. The demo is the same, not almost, it's same as the live account. The only difference is that in your live account, it is your real hard-earned money, but in the demo account, it is the virtual money given to you by the broker. The platform is superb, so welcoming, very easy. Let me show you the platform, my own platform from the broker. You see, this is the platform. We have a lot of tools on the platform that will enable you analyze the market as you really want. All these are tools, these are channels. All these are tools. The charting tool is superb, that as a beginner, you will master this environment in a very short while before going live. So, the finding the perfect demo account is why you are here. That is why you want to know, where do you go to get a demo account or a broker that will ensure. Let me tell you, your success in Forex market largely depends on the broker. Largely depends on the broker. Do you know why? The broker provides the pitch, the platform for you to play. No matter how good a footballer is, once you drop that footballer on a very bad pitch, he will never perform. In fact, some professionals can never play in some local pitches. Do you see how powerful the pitch is to a footballer? So is the powerfulness of a trading broker to you as a Forex trader. So, finding the perfect broker, Forex. The link to this to the broker is in the description of this video. You will trade everything free. That is why it is called demonstration account. That's why it is referred as demo account. Getting started with your demo account. Yes, choose a reputable broker, which I've told you. Open a demo account. Yes, and explore the platform. The broker in question, the link to this broker is at the description. Everything there is free. What makes a reputable broker? Let me tell you. Let me just give you a hint. This is a broker that once you deposit your money, it will reflect in your account. Once you want place your withdrawal, you will get your money almost instant. Once you have any complaint, within 1 to 3 hours, you will get it. Yes. Try it. Go to this broker. Tell them, just go to the customer care. Know whatever you want to customer support. Send them email on whatever topic you want to know. You will definitely get your response between 1 to 3 hours. And they have multiple means of deposit. So it makes transaction very easy for you. These things I'm telling you must start from demo. Yes, communicate with them as a demo trader and see how they will value you. Forex has remained my best. Over the years, I've traded for years. I have traded with brokers. I can name them, but this is only broker I can say, yes, I am satisfied with the services they give me. Don't get me wrong. No broker is 100% perfect. No, but the basics, you will get it from this broker, which is fast and reliable response and very easy to get your money. So once you get to the broker's website, you sign up, download the platform, and start trading. Do not remember, this is a platform or this is a practice. That means you must track every performance. How did you win? How did you lose? What happened? What is your trading platforms or trading plans? Did I execute it very well? Am I disciplined in doing what I'm doing? It is only in the demo account that you can get those things done. Pro tips for demo account success. Set realistic goals. Please, if you have the ability of starting with $1,000 live account, don't start your demo with 2,000. Start with the exact money. If you joke with your demo, you subconsciously joke with your live account. So set realistic goals. Do not expect becoming a millionaire overnight. Yes, but expect making a living from it. Start small. Why do I say start small? Every broker or most brokers will give you $100,000 virtual fake or paper money to start with. And in that case, you can feel I have much money to start with. Please start with little and grow that account. Whatever your success rate in your demo account will definitely determine your success rate in your real life account. Practice regularly. This is business. It is business. As a beginner, please let me tell you, do not make Forex your primary source of income now. You must have other means of getting money because it is a business that takes time to master every skill. It will not put pressure on you once you did not make it your full source of getting income. Practice demo while you do other things, while you save money for trading. We have other learning resources that will give you a better understanding of the market. Yes, the broker I'm talking of, Forex, has everything for you. We will see the site at the end of the course and see if really it is yours. Now, before going to live accounts, ensure consistent profitability on your demo. If you've not garnered the confidence of trading in your demo account, please don't risk your real money. Manage your capital very well. The number one goal of every successful trader is to protect his money, his capital. That is the number one goal. Once you expose your capital to the market, it will definitely go. So you must learn how to manage your capital via the use of stop loss or using minimal value of lot size. Never trade with the emotion. The market don't care about you. Once you make a mistake or once you enter a trade and observe there is a mistake, go out of the mistake. Remember, your goal is to protect your money, then and make money after all. Discipline, yes. Calculate the risk. These are the key elements of successful Forex trader. In conclusion, before I conclude, let me briefly introduce you to this broker we are talking of or we are discussing of. This is the real site. This is Forex. This is, in fact, one good thing with this broker is you have the right to copy someone's trade. Someone that is somewhere you never know. He is trading, making cool money, and you are seeing the money. You have a feature of copying his trade. Then the education as a new person. In fact, you have a lot to learn from the education and analytics part of it. They advise you on what to do. They tell you what to do because their goal is you make money, they make money. It's a win-win situation. So if you are new as you are and you want to go into demo account, it is compulsory because it prepares you for the real day. Yes, the market can be very rewarding, but mastering it requires dedication and timing. Your demo account is a passport to your success. Utilize it wisely, learn from your experience, and soon you'll be trading with confidence, with 90% sure or probability of winning the market. Once more, welcome to the journey of making money from the market. Please subscribe, share, be part of my channel as we proceed.